Hi, everyone. Happy Friday. So today I wanted to go over uploads for version 2 and how that's going to work. So right now, as you know, for version 1, you can upload things like PDFs, Word docs, and scrape websites. And then the bots can reference those items. You can attach those items to bots. Those bots can reference those items. It'll work a little bit differently in V2, and this is just because of lessons learned and thinking about how we want to make this easier for you guys to scale. And let me go into that. I'm not going to show you this live because they haven't pushed these updates to the live site yet. So I'm going to show you these changes in something called Figma. This is where we do the mock-ups for design. So let me show you. So here we have a list of items that have been uploaded. To go in and see the uploads, you'll go into your account settings, knowledge library, as you see there, knowledge library on the side, and then you'll be able to see all of the items that have been uploaded, not only by yourself, but other people under your account, and then other people that you have built bots for. Remember, we have the agency level of CloseBot, and you're building bots for sub-accounts. Those could be high-level sub-accounts, HubSpot sub-accounts, eventually Salesforce or other types of sub-accounts. Won't matter. Those people can go in and upload their own items. By default, when they upload an item within their portal, those items are only referenced by bots when the bot is engaged with their source. So imagine you have 100 gyms that you work with. You've built a bot for these 100 gyms. That one bot is plugged into all 100 of these accounts to qualify leads and book appointments. And each one of those gyms goes and uploads their own resources. If the Big Muscles gym source is communicating with a contact for that bot's only going to reference the knowledge items that are attached to Big Muscle Gym's source. So it's just a little bit different there. We will have notes is what they're going to be called. Notes are things that you just type in for the bot to get knowledge from. That's the equivalent of just a text document. We'll have scraped websites just like we do now, except it's going to be able to scrape a sitemap. We have more settings that are going to be available in that. Eventually, the ability for it to check the website for changes on a recurring basis and automatically change the knowledge base if it detects changes on the website. These are really exciting things that we didn't implement in V1 because we were so focused purely on the bot quality. We wanted to save items like this for the V2. So I'm really excited about that. And of course, still the ability to upload PDFs and doc files as well. So let's take a look around. We'll be able to filter by type of file, by the source that's connected. So if you wanted to see all of the items uploaded that are connected to Big Muscles Gym, for example, that is a specific source, you would be able to filter by that. You will be able to see all of the items uploaded, even the ones connected to specific sources, and edit those for them. So you could go in and edit their notes or delete files. Maybe you go in and you see they uploaded something that was a gigabyte, even though they're paying you for that storage. We'll talk about rebilling later. You might say, hey, that is ruining your bot. And you could go in and delete that for them. So this shows some of that. We'll be able to search by date range. So you can see, maybe you want to see all documents uploaded within the last 7 days or within a custom time frame. That will be possible, as well as an omni search. So you could type in the file name or the person that uploaded, the source name that's connected, and search that way. You'll be able to select multiple files and take action based on multiple files, like deleting or downloading those files for view. And very importantly, when you create a note, not only will you be able to create the note, but finally you'll be able to go in and edit the note. You'll be able to view it and make edits to it. So you won't have to do the thing that is really frustrating right now, where you have to download the text that you've saved and connected to your bot, edit it, re-upload it, and reconnect it. That'll no longer be an issue. So that is a little bit about file uploads, how we plan to handle certain things, and hopefully the structure is starting to make sense. How we have sources, uploads are attached to sources. That's going to be really, really helpful and make this much more scalable. So your people you support, the people you've built bots for that are paying you money, can go in and make some of these lightweight changes by themselves without bugging you. Okay. Thanks, guys. Next time I'll get more into rebilling and some other exciting features we have. Talk to you then.